Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix escape the Backrooms microphone not working. So there are multiple fixes that you can try in order to fix that issue. First of all, you have to check your in-game audio settings and ensure that voice chat is enabled, and also double check your push to talk keybind, which is usually set to B by default, is set correctly. If this doesn't work for you, then the other method or the other fix is you can right click your microphone or the volume icon on the taskbar, click on sound settings, and then in the settings menu, if you scroll down just a bit in the microphone section, you have to make sure that the correct microphone is selected from this section. If it's not selected, then you have to simply click on the microphone from this side, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then you can try to open Steam, select your games, which is escape the Backrooms. For instance, let's suppose this is the game. Right click the game, click on properties. Now here you'll be able to see a new section which is not showing to me because I haven't installed the game. But if you have the game, if you click on properties, you will be able to see installed file section here. If you click on the installed file, then a new option will appear which will say verify integrity of game files. Simply select verify integrity and wait just a little bit, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do, open Steam just like that and click on the Steam, which is Steam written on the top left corner, and then go to the settings and then scroll down. You will see voice, select voice, and then click on start microphone test to test if your microphone is working or not. Once the test has been completed, hopefully your problem will be fixed, and that's simply how you can fix escape the Backrooms microphone not working problem. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.